Hello, math class. We are doing the measurement lesson in the Unique Learning System. So it is the break time snack mix that we're going to make today. Hi guys, step one is always to wash your hands first. So you want to have warm water, want to get your hands wet and wash them really nice. And then I have a towel here to dry it. So I went ahead and got all of my ingredients ready, and even some over here. And then, because it's in math, we're going to talk about measurement and using measuring cups and measuring spoons. The first step, it says to preheat oven to 250 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. We already preheated the oven. Now we're going to do step two, which is put corn cereal, rice cereal, wheat cereal, pretzels, toasted O's cereal, and peanuts into the roasting pan and then stir. Okay, so here's all my ingredients for this first part, and we're going to measure it right now. You need 3 cups square corn cereal, 3 cups of the rice cereal, 3 cups of the square wheat cereal, 2 cups of the mini pretzels, 2 cups of the whole grain toasted O's, and 2 cups of the peanuts, which are optional. All right, so the first thing we're gonna put is 3 cups of square cereal. So if we're looking at our measuring cup, we find our 1 cup. This is a 1 cup measuring cup, so we have to do it 3 times. One. See how my Chex Mix goes up to the 1 cup? 2, 3. Next is going to be the rice cereal, and the same thing. We need 3 cups. We need to do 3 1 cups. 1, 2, 3. Next is the wheat Chex. 1, 2, 3. Then it's 2 cups of the mini pretzels, so only 2 of these. 1, 2. All right, now we need 2 cups of the whole grain toasted O's cereal. We're using Honey Nut Cheerios. So 1, 2. Then we need 2 cups of peanuts. Again, that's optional. So here's 1 cup. And then put them up to the 1 cup, 2 cups. And that is step 2. Step 2 also says to stir it up. So we're gonna kind of just get everything all good and mixed up in our roasting pan. Step 3 is to put the butter, Worcestershire sauce, seasoned salt, garlic powder, and onion powder into a small bowl and stir. Our recipe calls for 1 cup of butter melted. 1 stick of butter is a 1/2 cup, so we need 2 of these sticks to make 1 cup. So we're gonna put the 1 cup of butter that we melted into the bowl. Then we're gonna need 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. So if you look on here, we're gonna find the tablespoons, which is the big T. So we put the Worcestershire sauce in, it was 4 tablespoons, the big T. Now we're on to the seasoned salt, which is 2.5 teaspoons. So it's gonna be 2 of the little teaspoon, 2 of these, and then a half of one. Here is the seasoned salt. So here's 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, and then the half a teaspoon. Now we're gonna move on to the garlic powder, and we need 3/4 of a teaspoon. So I don't have a 3/4 teaspoon, but if I do 3 of 1/4, that's 1, 2, 3, 3/4. Garlic powder. Oh, there we go. So I kind of use the side of the garlic powder to kind of make it even. Okay, so there's the garlic powder, and then we need a half a teaspoon of the onion powder. And then it says to stir. Because I need 3/4 of the garlic, I need to go ahead and put 2 more in since I already put 1 in. 1, 2, and 3. That is 3/4. Because I need 3/4 of the garlic, I need to go ahead and put 2 more in since I already put 1 in. 1, 2, and 3. That is 3/4. All right, step 4 says to pour the butter mixture into the roasting pan. So I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of pour it all over our cereal and our pretzels and our peanuts. Make sure I can get all of it out here. And then step 5 says to stir the mixture. So I'm going to just make sure all of it's covered up with some of that mixture. Okay, so step 6 says bake for 1 hour, stirring the mixture every 15 minutes. So I have to take it out of the oven every 15 minutes for an hour. Put it in there, put it this way. Here we go. And I'm gonna set my timer for 15 minutes. So the first 15 minutes is up out of our hour of baking. Mr. Zaire used a hot pad to take it out of the oven and stir it up, and then he's gonna put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Okay, so the last 15 minutes is ended. So we brought it out and we're gonna stir it and put it back in for the last 15 minutes. Okay, so it's done. We're gonna turn the timer off and we're gonna turn the oven off. I'm gonna use my hot pads because it's hot to get my roasting pan out. Put it on the stove. And then number 7 says let cook for 15 minutes. And number 8, let cool for 15 minutes. Number 8 is eat. So we're gonna let it cool for another 15 minutes and then we will eat it. We waited patiently for the 15 minutes to try our helping snack, I think it was break time snack mix. Break time snack mix. What do you think, Josie?
I like it.
What do you think about it, Mr. Zaire?
Good.
I think it's pretty yummy too.